Today our topic is about multiplier in the national economy. What do we mean by multiplier? It shows us how many times national income will be multiplied due to increase in any injection to the economy. Followed my point or not? So what are the injections to an economy? Like investment is an injection to the economy, second is the government spending, and third is exports. And what are the parallel withdrawals? Saving is a withdrawal of investment, taxes for government spending, and imports are the withdrawals of exports. So as we see, as the withdrawals are becoming lower and lower in value, the more national income will increase. Or in other words, when injections are increasing by more rate and the withdrawals are less and less, the level of national income will be multiplied by a greater number. Clear? So multiplier means how many times national income will be multiplied due to increase in any injection or any autonomous variable. Autonomous means which is not dependent upon national income. Okay. Now it shows how many times national income will be multiplied due to an increase in any injection in an economy. And how many injections I have told you right now? There can be three types of injections. One is called investment, that is denoted by I, and second is the government spending, that is denoted by G, and third is export, that is denoted by X. So there can be three types of multipliers in an economy. I gave you how many sectors of economy are there? 2-sector economy, 3-sector economy, and 4-sector economy. So there can be the three main types of multiplier: 2-sector economy multiplier, 3-sector economy multiplier, and what is the last one? 4-sector economy multiplier. So multiplier can be of investment multiplier. What it is? Investment multiplier. This is simple and closed economy multiplier where we have only one injection and one withdrawal. Okay. So how can we see? This is K is denoting what? Multiplier. According to your book, a small letter of K is denoting what? The multiplier. It shows us how many times national income will change due to change in investment. How many times national income will change or increase due to change in investment in the economy. Okay. For example, investment is 100 million. How much is the investment? 100 million. But increase in income is 500. Okay. So if we put these values, national income has increased by 500 and investment has changed by 100. How many times national income has been multiplied? That is 5 times. If there is investment of 100 million in an economy, national income will increase by 500 million. So 5 times national income will be multiplied to the investment. The multiplier value is how much? 5. So can I write this equation in this way? I can rearrange this equation like how many times national income will change due to investment. So now K I am writing on this side. I am going to find this value. If multiplier is 5 and investment is 100, so national income will change by 5 times. Now how can we find the multiplier value is 5? It depends upon, it depends upon marginal propensity to save. Do you remember MPS? What is MPS? Marginal propensity to save, that out of every additional dollar of income, how much is the change in national savings. For example, K is like 1 over MPS. What it is? 1 over MPS. If MPS value is 0.2, do you remember I said if MPS is 0.2, how much will be the MPC? Marginal propensity to consume? 0.8. Okay. So out of every additional dollar, 0.2 is being saved, whereas 0.8 is being spent on consumption. So put the value change in income is equal to 1 over MPS into change in investment. If MPS value is 0.2 and investment is 100, what is this answer? 1 over 0.2? 5? Alvina? So if MPS value is 0.2, the multiplier value will be 5. And if MPS value is 0.1, what does it mean? 0.1 is the MPS value. 1 over 0.1 will be equal to 10. So when MPS is decreasing, I say if MPS is 0.1, so multiplier will be 1 over 0.1. So if we raise this decimal, it will be 10. So now 10 times national income will increase. Why it is increasing 10 times? Because people are spending more, money is more circulating in the economy, withdrawal is less and less. So as withdrawal is decreasing, multiplier value will increase. Clear? In two-sector economy. So when, please be attentive, if MPS value is 0.4, can you find the value multiplier? If MPS value is 0.4, so then multiplier will be 10 over 4, 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 means 2.5. So you can see if people are going to save more part of their income, national income will not increase by more multiplier effect, rather multiplier effect will fall or decrease. Followed my points or not? It happens that when investment increases by a firm, by an economy, it will have multiplier effect to the change in national income. Like if I am receiving income, I am spending on buying different goods and services, and the seller of those goods and services will also increase his spending, and this chain process will go on until unless whatever is the injection that is totally withdrawn from the economy. When injections and withdrawals are equal, then we see how much national income has increased. Clear? Now I am going to explain it with the help of a diagram. This is a mathematical part of multiplier. I said to you, this is what? Nominal national income, this is aggregate expenditure which is equal to consumption. So this is 45-degree line. What it is? 45-degree line. This is now consumption. Clear? Right now national income is at Y1. Can we, if this is the consumption equation, 100 plus 0.8 Y. This is aggregate expenditure. That's equal to Y. Income and expenditures are equal at this point. Isn't it? Can you find the value of national income from this equation? equal to 100. So y is equal to 0.2 into 100. So how much is y? 100 over 0.2. Answer will be 1000 by 2 is 500. ये आ गया इनकम लेवल. कितना इनकम लेवल है? Without investment, economy stands at 500. Now investment is added. Please be attentive. This is C plus I now. This is investment. So here, what is the level of this national income due to 100 investment, 100 million investment? So can we find this thing? Now I am going to raise this thing. Find over here. Now aggregate expenditure is equal to C plus I. Isn't it? What is the C? That's 100 plus 0.8, 100 plus 100 plus 0.8 y plus 100. Now investment is about 100 million. Now that's equal to y. This is aggregate expenditure. This is aggregate supply. Can we find value of y? Y minus 0.8 y is equal to 200. What is the value of y now? 200. 0.2. 200 and y is equal to 200 over 0.2. To erase, remove this decimal, you will get 1000. What it is? Now how many times national income has changed? Kalina? 500. 500 is the change in income. And how much is the investment? 100. So multiplier is what? Change in income due to change in investment. That is 500 over 100. That's equal to 5. Clear? So what is this point to? MPS. 1 minus MPC is MPS. So if we find this thing, this is the multiplier. Change in investment is this vertical distance. Be attentive. This vertical distance is the change in investment and this is change in income. Divide graphically the change in income distance by the change in investment. So if consumption line becomes steeper, the value of multiplier will increase. For example, it is now 0.9. So it will have income level up in here. More change in income will take place when MPC is going to increase or MPS is going to decrease. Clear or not? Diagrammatically, we have also shown how to see the multiplier. Now another diagram we have also drawn in our previous lessons, that is about saving investment line. Do you remember? This is saving and investment. This is how we see saving line is 0 over here and this is saving now. This is the income level 500, but this is now investment line of 100 million is the investment. So income has increased by 1000. So this vertical distance, this is the change in income, this is change in investment. From this diagram we can also find the multiplier value. So if saving becomes flatter, right, this is the slope changing saving due to change in income. So if saving has become flatter, Alvina, its slope has gone down, so the value of multiplier will further increase. This is my point. If MPS is decreasing, value of multiplier will rise. And if MPS is increasing, it is becoming steeper, the multiplier value will decrease. So it depends how much a country is having withdrawals from the economy. If withdrawals are less and less, there will be more multiplier effect in the economy. And if withdrawals are increasing, then multiplier value will decrease. So two sector multiplier in this economy, we say K is equal to 1 over MPS. Investment multiplier depends upon marginal propensity to save, because in this economy we have single withdrawal of saving account. Clear? Two sector. Now I am going to have three sector economy. I am raising all these things. In three sector economy, what will be the new injection? Now I am using the simplest way to explain three sector and four sector economy. Okay, what is the injection of three sector economy? Government spending. Government is now in the picture. So what is the withdrawal of government spending? Taxes. So its withdrawal will be called 1 over MPS plus MRT. What is MRT? Government spending multiplier. Alright. So its withdrawal is taxes. MRT means MRT can marginal rate of tax. Marginal rate of tax. Clear? Now I see multiplier value is like this: marginal propensity to save plus marginal rate of tax. What will happen to the multiplier if denominator is increasing?
It will
Decrease. So now you can see, if this is 0.2, this is 0.1, so multiplier value will be 1 over 0.3 is 3.33. As the withdrawal has increased in the three sector economy, the value of multiplier will decrease. So in three sector economy, this is going to be the multiplier by combining marginal propensity to save and marginal rate of tax. So in this case, national income will increase by, so K is now 1 over MPS plus MRT into change in government spending. So if these withdrawals are falling, the value of multiplier will increase. And if these withdrawals are increasing, value of multiplier will fall. Clear? I am not going to have further mathematics in this area. Whatever is required, I have done it. I have already done. So you have to remember, this is a three sector multiplier. There are two withdrawals. Now what is the four sector multiplier? What is that? Now you should understand, in four sector multiplier we have injection of exports. What is the withdrawal of exports? Imports. So can I write over here? It is, I should write on the outside, export multiplier, or you can say four sector economy multiplier. So its withdrawal is MPM. This is what? Marginal propensity to import. Marginal propensity to import. This is a withdrawal of a four sector economy. Now if we are importing too much, our income will be going abroad. Clear? Now multiplier will be in four sector economy, that is marginal propensity to save, that is two sector, and marginal rate of tax, that is the three sector. Now add another withdrawal, marginal propensity to import. Clear? So as another withdrawal is added, the denominator is further increasing. So what happened? Change in national income will be less and less due to change in injections. So it depends upon, can I write, okay, please listen. This is multiplier is equal to marginal propensity to withdrawals. If it is two sector economy, its withdrawal is only MPS. In three sector, withdrawals will be MPS plus MRT. In four sector economy, withdrawal will be the whole MPS, MRT plus MPM. So in any sector of the economy, multiplier depends upon the value of withdrawal. If value of withdrawals are falling, there will be more multiplier effect to change the national income. and if withdrawal values are increasing, the multiplier value will decrease. Clear? That is about how multiplier works in the economy. Okay? So when spendings are increased either by the producers, it depends upon when the consumer demand will increase. So how many times there will be increase in national income? Our government is spending more on infrastructure development, which will increase employment opportunities. So national income will increase by multiplier effect. That's why governments are spending on development projects. And if our country is having more exports rather than less imports, clear? So multiplier value will show us that how national income is going to change in the economy. Any question related to this? No question. Understood everything? I tried my level best to make it easier and easier as I could. Okay? Thank you.